So we're here in the Philippine Arena, largest indoor arena in the world here in Bulacan. At ngayon, nasa UBB Premium tayo, upper box B Premium. This is the view from here. Actually, it's comfortable, yung seats dito, and maluwag nga talaga yung arena. And ngayon, nagpapatugtog sila ng mga Blackpink songs because it's D-Day, the Blackpink concert, the Born Pink World Tour here in Manila. Exciting. And kaya naman mag-zoom ng camera. Kaya pa rin sila mag-give na maganda yung quality. So, here we are. This is the view. It's okay naman. Hindi naman sila mukhang langgam. Worse dito yung GA or Gen Ad ng MOA Arena versus the UBB Premium dito sa Philippine Arena. Tapos ito sa taas. Okay. Para may idea kayo how it looks dito sa upper box. Pero this one upper box premium. I hope I gave you an idea, guys. Right? Para sa next concert nyo dito sa Philippine Arena. And mabuti nang mas maaga kayong pumunta here, lalo na kapag it's a big concert. Baka malito-lito pa kayo kung saang door kayo dapat pumasok. Okay? Siyempre, dito sa upper box, kailangan nyo palang umakyat. Okay. Siyempre, upper. So, dito, naka-rows siya. Ayan, nasa 84 ako. And then, my seat number, I'm in seat number 286. So, mix and match nyo lang yung nasa ticket nyo and find your seat. May mga nag-a-assist naman here na mga usher. So, you'll easily find your seats upon asking them. Oh my God, they're playing the music video of Pink Venom. Pre-game. Walang uuwi! The crowd refuses to go home. At di pa, in-on yung lights. The crowd refuses to go home. At di pa, in-on yung lights.